This is the video for hands-on equation lesson 8, and this is where it actually gets kind of intense. They introduce our white piece, or our yellow piece, whatever color you are using. They actually have a whole other, we're actually on book 2, which is this whole fancy blue book, which is really, really awesome. So you should feel very proud of yourself for making it this far in algebra. So what we're going to learn about today is negative numbers and negative x in particular. And negative x can be kind of intimidating, but really do not let it intimidate you. So I'm going to start in the back by talking about what is a negative number. And lots of us probably already know it, but it never hurts to review. So say I have 0 on my number line, and I'm counting 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to count 3 in the other direction. Negative 3. What my 3 is telling me is that I'm going 3 spaces on my number line. What my positive number is telling me is I'm going this way on my number line. What my negative number is telling me is that I'm going this way on my number line. And so really that's all a number is it's telling you where are you going on this magical number line and how are you getting there. So if I think about it, 0 in the center, I'm creating another number line down here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The important thing to keep in mind is that when I'm subtracting, so say I have the equation 5 minus 3. I'm going to start at 5. We all know that my subtraction sign is telling me to go 1, 2, 3 in this direction. And so I'm going to end at positive 2. We all know this from 2nd grade. What we don't know maybe is that 5 plus a negative 3 is equal to the same thing, which is just mind-blowing. And I know it's confusing because this plus sign, we want to go this way on our number line. But really, no, we are going this way because of that negative number. So I'm 5 and I'm adding, oh, I'm not going this way. I'm going this way. 5 plus a negative 3, 1, 2, 3, is still equal to 2. So the most important thing to get away from this whole little lesson is that plus a negative number is the same thing as subtraction. So if I say I have 3 minus x, this is the exact same thing as 3 plus a negative x. And so for our purposes, this white piece will equal our negative x. And the way it's represented on your sheet is with a star. So we're going to see that in our first example problem. So 2 parentheses, 3 star, or 3 negative x. And they're creative here. See, they put a negative line through the number to help you remember. Plus 1 is equal to 2 negative x, or star, plus 10. So to set this up, remember, oh my gosh, they're throwing in the distributive property already. I can't handle this. Basically what this is remember that the 2 is visiting each member in this house once. So I'm going to show this as my equation, or it's saying that what's in parentheses is happening 2 times. So I'm going to have 3 negative x, excuse me, we have graduated, plus 1 plus negative 3x, wrap it out, plus 1. And this right here is a clear demonstration of why we use the distributive property. I can't even fit all these numbers on here, and I'm using small numbers like 2 and 3. So my other side shows 2 negative x's plus 10. So my first step in any hands-on equation is to combine like terms. And man, do I have like terms to combine or what in this equation. So I'm going to combine my negative 3x plus negative 3x, or 3 star plus 3 star, and my 2 1s, and get a 2. Beautiful. And now I'm going to pretend like these, even though they have this magical negative x name, even though they are shaped like a star in my equation, I can treat them just as if they were blue pieces. So it is the same thing. I can still take away both from the same side because these two are both equal to the same value. They're both negative whatever number. So I'm going to take away, take away, take away, wait, wait, take away, take away, take away, wait, wait, take away, take away, take away, wait, wait, take away, wait, wait. So now I'm going to rewrite my problem. I have 4 star, or 4 negative x plus 2 is equal to 10. I can now take away my whole numbers just like I would before if I was using blue pieces. So take away, 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 take away. So now I have 4 star is equal to 8. So I'm thinking what plus what plus what plus what is equal to 8. And I know that star is equal to 2. So I'm going to put it back, way back. Put it back, way back to check myself to make sure that I am correct. So I have my distributive property, 3 star plus 1, 3 star plus 1, and 2 star plus 10. So I'm going to go 2. Actually, this is a 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, 14, 10, 12, 14. 14 equals 14, check. And so you might be like, Miss V, why does this star work if this 2 is not negative? It's okay, my dears. For real, all this week is about is a color change. And I think that we can handle the color change. It's just a symbol change. And really the symbol is just a placeholder for whatever value fits into the equation. Let's do one more together, and I think that you have totally got it. So I'm going to clear my board. Clearing, super clearing. And my next equation is going to be 5 star minus 2 star is equal to star plus 8. So what I'm going to do here, I know from a previous lesson that I can just do the subtraction in my head. So 5 minus 2, anything, 5 minus 2 chickens, 5 minus 2 x, 5 minus 2 whatever, is always going to be 3. If I have 5x of them and I have 2x of them, or 5 star and 2 star, if I'm combining like terms, I can always do that math. And then I have star plus 8. So now I'm going to solve this problem just like I would. There's no like terms for me to combine, so my job is to isolate the value. Isolate the value. So to do that, I'm going to take away, 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 take away. So now I'm left with 2 star is equal to 8. So what plus what is equal to 8? I know 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, so I'm going to say my star is equal to 4. So now I've got to put it back, way back. Put it back, way back. So now I'm going to add 4, 8, 12 is equal to 8 plus 4, which is 12. So 12 is equal to 12, check. So now get started on this. Keep in mind, I know these symbols look scary, but it's really just a color change for this week and a symbol change for our hands-on equations. It's something that we're going to play with more as we go forward, but excellent job and get right to work.